It's a distributed ledger technology that records transactions across multiple computers. Think of it as the foundation or the operating system. It's a decentralized database. It's immutable, meaning your records are permanently kept there. No one can edit it or delete it. And it powers many, many applications beyond cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is an application built on blockchain for digital money that uses cryptography for security. It's just one use case of blockchain technology. It's in a digital form of currency, and you can do peer-to-peer transactions without going through a centralized exchange. And these are one of the many blockchain applications. Let me give you a brief understanding. So how does cryptocurrency and blockchain work? Case in point, Mr. A is sending some cryptocurrency to Mr. B. So Mr. B gives his wallet address to Mr. A, and Mr. A makes the transfer. While the transfer is going on, the blockchain checks if the transaction and the wallet ID is confirmed, and then everything is okay, the funds gets transferred, right? So this is it's a layer of, it's also a security layer, and it has a lot of privacy. A real world case example that I can compare with cryptocurrency is like credit cards. Suppose if you are going to a store and you make a purchase with Visa, they take your machine. They take your card to the swipe machine. They swipe your card, and the card goes to servers of Visa to confirm that the card is valid, there's balance, everything. And then the transaction is confirmed. So Visa, Master, all these credit cards do the same thing, but it's centralized. And it's based on internal company private knowledge, right? So what cryptocurrency does is same thing. It transfers funds from one wallet to another, and it uses blockchain to confirm. It doesn't use a centralized platform. Okay. The relationship between these two is, you can say the blockchain is a foundation layer, right? It provides security and transparent infrastructure. Protocol layer is a layer on top of that, where you have smart contracts and other tools that are built on top. Application layer is a cryptocurrency used as a value exchange mechanism. Say you want to use, if you purchase something online and that platform accepts cryptocurrency, so we are using cryptocurrency to make the payment. And then when you make the payment, it goes through a protocol layer to confirm that the payment you made, your wallet, your transaction is valid. And it goes to the blockchain to confirm the transaction is done, right? Blockchain can exist without cryptocurrency.